So the box was damaged, and inside the typewriter not only is dirty, so it has been used, it's not a new one, but everything is broken, everything. And again, it's not a new one. This is a used one that they sent me.
Okay, so first of all, it is very, very difficult to use. I was unable to get the ribbon to actually work. As you can see, it will work a few times and then becomes jammed. So I was constantly reloading it. You can see here that I tried multiple times and was unsuccessful. I would not recommend this product.